isn't a fantasy. It's not concept art. It's real, and it's coming in 2026. Meet the Volvo Motorhome that's so futuristic, it makes other RVs look like ancient history. All electric, AI-powered, and designed like a luxury Scandinavian apartment on wheels. This is not just a vehicle. It's a bold new way to live, travel, and disconnect from the chaos without sacrificing a single ounce of comfort. Volvo has officially entered the high-end motorhome space, and they didn't come to play it safe. The exterior is pure elegance, smooth curves, minimalist edges, and signature LED lighting that gives it a spaceship-like glow at night. Solar panels are perfectly integrated into the roof, feeding a massive battery system underneath. With over 500 miles of electric range and fast charging capability, range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. But what really sets it apart is what's inside. The moment you step through the seamless sliding door, you're greeted by warm wood accents, soft ambient lighting, and floor-to-ceiling windows that make every stop feel like a five-star retreat. The living area transforms, literally. One moment it's a lounge, the next it's a workspace, and then a full-on dining room. The furniture adapts to you, not the other way around. Volvo's AI assistant is always on standby. Voice control everything, from lights and temperature to entertainment and navigation. It even learns your travel habits over time. And when it's time to rest, the rear slides out into a queen-sized suite with a memory foam bed, starlight ceiling, and whisper-quiet climate control. The kitchen is sleek and practical. Induction cooktop, smart fridge that adjusts temps based on ingredients, and hidden compartments that make use of every inch. The bathroom? Think spa on wheels. Rainfall shower, heated floors, UV sterilized surfaces. All powered by clean energy. On the road, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome brings Level 4 autonomous driving to the RV world. It can handle long stretches of highway, parking, and even warn you about rough terrain ahead using its drone scouting system. Yes, a drone. It flies ahead, scans the road, and gives real-time feedback. Total game changer. And let's not forget Volvo's core value, safety. With 360-degree LiDAR, adaptive cruise, emergency braking, and over-the-air updates, this vehicle is built to protect and improve over time. It's not just smart, it's evolving. This isn't just about RVing anymore. This is about rethinking how we live, how we travel, and how we connect with the world, without giving up comfort, design, or sustainability. Would you take this into the wild for a weekend, or live in it full-time? Let us know below, because the future of van life isn't coming. It's already here.